Kero kende gaginkirete kanyoro mungwano yamaga kong'akire simiga gontenga mukwa matiangi abwate mechando ime ya Jubilee isekine yakia kurwandiwa ng'abaro ro mungwano korukunga Jeremiah Kioni kakomaire mbero sana ase TV ne radio bono taliere byo kong'akirete nganyonendo yonde kakong'akira kakongeresa mang'ana yayu kanyora abantu akunikire chi SMS on the same thing naki matiangi araba kurwandiwa segime ya Jubilee amang'ana asalikire teto kera chinga kecho kati hapa kusinga ndo tuara buova asa mang'ana Jubilee kera nyarikane nga yugindiro elinka waida ndo wasiumu nga bobe mboko kera bukoleta yogielyo lakini ngelina ki omungwana naro tubwate gorale kurukunga Dr. King of Fred Matiangi sababu ne yakingo kota ndo tuara buova entanga ne Matiangi no muoge tale kogenda Jubilee atake disabu Jones na arocho koso Jubilee ngubatu biye bwae nenda kamenga koso Jubilee emechano nera witira amo yabo nere ya sumoroche akuogereru na kurwanirwa ICTV station na aroche Beyonce lakini ubwoge bwae buna Matiangi na amaite buna kole ebintu biragere ngemechano neje onye korana Jeremiah Kioni konye nkugal bono mamuroche barenere kagasome press statement igali Matiangi na amete bina ko bakora igo asitoli twensi pia bagusi ndo twara bwoba egene kige tangani egi akabire neki aba gusi bono babera as key positions as a Jubilee party tunatoka mbabone iga mugusi ne arole mo chairman oyole Kemosi umugusi ne arole deputy party leader uchikoba party leader umusali Matiangi jirani to ga korunaro orukumutalo le Kenta ne raboni ge secretary general of party abantu bako make decision chikuru pi no barangi na gusi agusime koro kinge party decision chikobe diwa ko make decision no tole ninduto kwamwa ndoka ibintu muno bikoba ihono mnapa gusi ndo twara bwana ki twabikirusiko twakirusiko Matiangi rwani wale nguru tole already Matiangi obera confirmed that is registrar of parties nganere deputy party leader Kemosi boygo mutole Kenta boygo bakusitalia obuka mbaro abandi igo bono ndo twara aba bagusintole sebrugo byamana igendo kyata toniga boni gaba kaba iko ibarore abagusi party ya Jubilee abere yagusi tiamatenga bari mutameti nya chano aruseti for the people ku Central Kenya igaje kabe party yagusi bakabona minyene yagusi Matiangi nero yiri Jubilee tutaragenda ndonzi already Matiangi omanyikanire oniri kusi oniri party yagusi buyamono bono wakoranto bali birogo oligire na Jubilee anjire mono gusi korkinga party kiabera bagusi amoiko na toura gosina barete chishida ngaiba koira kyakogara aribo iko yo DCP nerere class aboni gamba onyara konyora kinde egento kenete tukubate neki Uhuru na higenete Matiangi Uhuru abere na Matiangi chinga kishinge sana Matiangi na mukonyete paka gegrasa ako muamini ako mainjire bali mutamete Matiangi tiamatenga kwanza uhusiano na bwaye no Uhuru Kenyatta no bwa maana sana President Teye kwa na kiroko liye intire go chiwa sonde bwenzi mpaka obena bako legasi mpaka obenga nabo president yo kwamini yakore information yo twara kiroko interior ne yoromono o kola kuliga siange no Uhuru Kenyatta ngwa gerete Uhuru Kenyatta kaige na Matiangi mono sana ikibone ga korkinga woba mboyo Jubilee Uhuru kale party leader Matiangi deputy party leader already bintu byarosiwe yani there's no way Matiangi arase kwa kusuko there's no way Matiangi arakono Uhuru Kenyatta gakote karo okusiba minto munyo letenga nake ule muntu atameto Uhuru Kenyatta umuntu staga tenili bageli Matiangi akaba mune deputy president ya Kenya asiki Uhuru Kenyatta muaminiti boni iki kyao kara Jubilee Uhuru Kenyatta no amo etokopoko nene no ale nere igondu duara bwa umuntu tutebora amwenga Matiangi tayo pi Uhuru Kenyatta lakini atara amwa kamwa minute tutwara gosemelina ki twarosira igondu keneneke abagusi naba ikoyo ndubatu busianomie obija injirenero twabeto kuliga sikuruge Antonio kurwana tonyo gutwara segichene chonsi andonsi twakonya ndiri twakonya Kibaki mwaro chiri Kibaki achore tungerwa ongeli akawe gasi spirit yiyo nerero boniga Ndetuko batabinga obwamate bwitu n'abaikoyo n'obuya buli na kiboni abaikoyo abanga batangana abagwakira matiangi chikura 2027 nate tukwira mangana mange kukwana asa topic ye lakini asa comment section amuko ngene engagement ina kingi muruche lakini bino kora kwana kole amangana Jubilee aro drain control bya mno sana nyasaba sasa nitokenda kwati pinde tokoraga mu kwa times bya mno.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our rooms has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.